polish it. So polish up something like clean now. Clean this shit. Yes, babes. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. And I know it's a man, Holy Fire 777. Back at it like a crocodile. Yeah, so today we're headed up at Baden Town. So stick and stay. I'm showing you daily life of a Jamaican living in Grand Cayman. And excuse my voice, but like the flow won't catch me. But me not catch it. Yeah, so we're on our way onto Baden Town. Going to do a Harley Davidson bike. Going to do a real nice bike. Go polish it, wash it and polish it. Yeah. So stick and stay, not go nowhere. That is it. So that's on my journey. I got Baden Town. I noticed that this man up a big truck up on the way. Lots of big truck on the road. Mainly because construction is booming in Cayman. Yeah. Slips. So let me take you with me. We're heading on to Baden Town. Yeah, Cayman is so developed, babes. It's like, I don't know, nice apartments. I mean, I know the apartment, trust me. They're nice. I love the design. Yeah, I really love the design of them. Yeah. Yeah, so travel with my peeps. Let me show you what I go on and what I go on in a Grand Cayman. Yeah. Show you what I go on and what I go on. Yes, peeps. Say, whole heap of big truck I noticed this morning. More and more big trucks. Cause Baden Town, as I say, whole heap of new apartments in a Cayman Island. Whole heap. Beachfront too. You see them now, say? Beach the right behind it. And then one up here, so beach the right behind it. And nice, spacious. Yes, peeps. So reach a Red Bay now. Red Bay. I don't have to take the bus this morning. I don't have to take the bus because I get a different bus. Yeah. And peeps, I've been under the weather. But I don't have the luxury of staying home because I ain't got nobody here to nurse me, so I have to hit the road. And hopefully the sun will beat the flow out of me. Yeah, the sun will beat the flow out of me. Crazy driving. Even the brother, yeah. These people, you know, then change lane without even looking. And then if I drive, you have to make sure you drive for you and them, because they are crazy. And with the upper spots now, peeps with our spots. I know spots. Everywhere in Cayman, the beach is very near. The sea is near rather. So Jamaica surrounded by water, trust me. You don't have to go far in Cayman to be at the beach. If you choose to drive far, it's your choice. Yeah. Yeah, so up here so is spots. This is Spots Dock. Spots Cruise Terminal. So the ship then go here that side there. And the sea is rough in town. Babes, I just say Cayman Road is very good. Look, the rainfall, we get whole of water over there, and the road never did the road. The road wasn't damaged because the road was properly made properly, not a whole of mall and thing, but properly made. So you will see whole of water on the road, but the road still not damaged. No pothole. You can close your eye and drive. Which is not safe still, I'm just saying that. Yeah. Welcome to Savannah. So where they are Savannah now. Baden Town. Baden Town, Savannah. Baden Town, Baden Town. So up this side is like countryside, like, yeah. Actually they have a place up here, they call Countryside Plaza and stuff like that, but they call it Countryside. Soon reach there, I'm sure now. haven't even eaten from morning, almost 12 o'clock now. I have no appetite. But think I drink a tea. No appetite. I'm not feeling hungry. I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna boil some porridge later. Yeah, how about that? Boil some porridge later. Some cornmeal and oats and peanuts with coconut milk. Definitely, that never do. So, I spend an appetite for no food and I'll boil some porridge later. Yeah. Because I just can't eat no food. I don't have an appetite for eat no food. So that's what I'm gonna do. Boil some porridge for dinner. So what you say, porridge for dinner later? Yes. No appetite, so I boil porridge. I don't want a soup, I don't want porridge. Peanut and oats and cornmeal. Yeah, I'm gonna drink cornmeal porridge alone by itself. Make me feel bad. I'm gonna faint. And make me hungry quick. I have to mix it with peanut or oats. So hopefully we can get a bag of peanut later. Jamaican peanut. Yeah. Raw peanut. Little Savannah. Yes, peeps, and I'm driving at the speed limit. I'm not going too fast. If you look on the vehicle in front of me, I'm not go hard. So sometimes it might look like me I go drive hard. No, I'm not driving hard. I only drive hard in Jamaica. I may obey speed limits here sometime in Jamaica. But I only obey the speed limit here in Cayman. Because I don't want to get a speeding ticket. Because a speeding ticket could buy me a ticket to go to Jamaica. Yeah, that is it, for real. So I'm very law-abiding citizen. Not even a seatbelt, I not get ticket, I not get. So anyway, peeps, stick and stay. I'm almost rich. Link to the back. Yes, peeps, this is the beautiful Caribbean. Yeah, I have to show them from down there, so. Yes, peeps, so we're almost reached. So much trucks on the road. You know, one time I used to be scared of driving so them big truck there. But you know, and I understand why some people feel so too. Because them big truck there to pass on the road. See? Truck after truck after truck. Yeah. They're carrying material and stuff like that. Still in Baden Town. And up this side of the island you can drive faster, like 75. The rest is like 60 and 40. No, 60, yeah, 40. Up here now, you can start going 75. So we're almost there. Almost there. So road, look peeps, this is the Caribbean. Grand Cayman. Yeah. Good road. It's a utility work. Slow. Yeah, I'm so nearly nice house up here, so. It's a nice house up here. Yeah. Some nice houses. Let me see. Alright, that's alright, that's all. No one drive past. That's I'm good for doing that. Sometimes I remember exactly. I'm not come back for a while. Yeah. Yes, peeps. So I reach. Stick and stay, peeps. So yes, peeps. This is the bike I come to do in Fadden Town. Get a seat. So look, dirty. Let me see. When I'm done with it, you're gonna see what it looks like. So, you know, polish it, wash it and polish it. Yeah. I'm gonna wash it and polish it, leaves. Yes, this is a Harley. Pull off a saddle bag. And then me wash it. Yes, pull off the saddle bag and then wash it. That's it. Yes, please. So look. This is the Harley. Right now the Harley need a bed. Come on. The Harley need a bed, peeps. And then I disconnect this. Yes, that brake and light tin system. I have to disconnect it. So when I finish it, it's supposed to shine like run aside or so. This keep polished, that's why it looks shine so. Because I normally polish it when I'm done. So it look dirty. Yeah. Even the seat. Yeah. It need a good cleaning up, so I'm gonna give it a good clean up. One of them. So yes, please. Stick and steel. So yes, fam, this is the finishing work. The Harley, well polished. So polish up against myself in it. Yeah. Clean now. Here is your clean. This is the Harley Davidson. Harley Davidson. This is it, peeps. So well polished, chrome them polish, black polish, and then seat bed polish. Yeah. So that is it. Stick and stay. So this is it, peeps. Look at the view. This is spectacular. This is just spectacular. This is the Caribbean. No place like the Caribbean. Beautiful in all angles. Yeah, so the stickers. We're finished now. And I'm heading back to town. To Georgetown. Yeah. Just like I'm on fasting. No food all day. I have no appetite. So I'm gonna cook some porridge later. Gonna look about some Caramel with oats and peanut porridge. And coconut milk. So stay tuned for that one. One day I go nice. Just stick and stay fam. As we head on back into town. And as I say, the sun is hot. Because it is summer. Yeah, everybody asking if we didn't get any damage with the storm. No. The storm came and gave us a little kiss on the cheek. And that was it. And it went away. And it's good again. Yes, fam. Just stick and stay. Not go nowhere. Beautiful Caribbean. Breathtaking. Just breathtaking. Nice beachfront property. Nice houses on the beachfront. Yeah, just awesome. Just awesome, peeps. Just awesome. Isn't it lovely? Isn't it wonderful? Definitely. As I said, in Cayman I don't have to go far to go to the beach. People just sit, some people sit on a shade enjoying the beach. Look at that. People park up and enjoy the beach. Because most beach in Cayman, most beach, about 95% are probably more public access. You don't pay to go on the beach in Cayman. You don't pay to enjoy no beach. Yes, babes. So we are going to Georgetown, so stick and stay. So yes, peeps, now the day is over, night is drawing night. Shadow of the in the evening, sing across the sky. So it's been a long day. Very tough one because I feel so messed up with this flu thing. So I'm going to the supermarket to get some peanut, I'm not getting none. So I only have oats and caramel. But I don't want oats and caramel alone, I want peanut. So hopefully a corner store up here in West Bay here, so I have peanut, raw Jamaican peanut. Yeah, so just stick and stay. You know, say a Caribbean, so I just grab 2 coconut and chop out. Must can find 2 coconut. Yeah, so stick and stay, poor babes. I ain't going nowhere. So I'm gonna cook up some porridge, not caramel porridge, some porridge. Make me some porridge because I haven't eaten from morning. So, not going nowhere. So yes, peeps, I get my peanut so I can make my peanut porridge with oats and cornmeal. Yeah, so definitely I got mad up that now, right away. Chop 2 coconut as I go home. Yeah, and get up on the fire. Say me can done cook early. Yeah, because I'm hungry, super hungry. So you know, peep, stick and stay, not go nowhere. One fire, hold the fire. So yes, peeps. So I can say I look about some porridge. So see me have here. I have a peanut, Jamaican peanut from Jamaica. I have some sugar, I have oats, caramel, vanilla, and cut up the coconut already. Coconut here. Coconut already need this cut up. Yes, peeps. So yes, peeps. So tonight you see, I have me peanut, Jamaican peanut, and coconut cut up already. And I have some sugar, cornmeal, oats, and I have my vanilla. So yeah, the flu try to catch me. So I not with no flu. So I try to beat the flu. Trying to beat the flu. Yeah, so I make some porridge for me and for mine. So after all these work I work on today because this time I know habit. Sun is hot. Never have appetite. So yeah, I make some porridge, so stick and stay. Not going nowhere. Mash up the porridge, you know. The second blend. I'm gonna get one more. Not enough milk night. So I'm gonna blend it one more time. One more, and that is it. Yes, this is enough coconut milk now. Yeah. Rich, that's rich. Yes, so coconut milk. No box milk or no tin milk or milk. No dairy milk. Natural coconut from Mother Nature. That is it. Can't stay close. I'm going away. So you see, so I'm blending peanut now. Peanuts. Blend the peanut first. Yes, please. So alright, how much? Let's the peanut. throw the peanut in the pot. Peanut blend first. Then I blend the oats and the caramel. One thing is, when you come on the oats now, you can't use too much because it got too thick. Yeah, that way. Put the caramel in there too. Yes, please. Put the caramel in there too. And not too much caramel either. Yes, because it's too thick. So, put the milk in it now. And blend the caramel and the oats together. So this paste, I put on the pot with the peanut to go and boil up. Yes. See, coconut milk, so rich. That is rich. Okay. So, stick on stay peeps. Don't go down. This milk peeps. It's boiling over. Boil up quick as a shame. No. So I'm going to put the caramel in there with the oats. That's rich. I have to keep stir it so you don't get lumpy. Actually, caramel in there, we get lumpy. So now we want some more water. It's very thick. It's very thick. So I'm going to throw my water now. Still, if I could throw some more water in it, peeps. Peeps, still want more water. It's very thick. Huh?
I said, will you cook porridge? Will you put down your porridge?
I put oats, caramel, and peanut.
Peanut?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Give you stamina, you know?
You got it now.
Yeah.
So wait, you blend it, you blend the peanuts?
Yeah, blend the peanuts and the oats.
Okay.
Blend everything with the caramel too.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now what you want to learn, you know?
Yeah, and the coconut milk.
What?
Coconut milk.
You put coconut milk?
Yeah.
Alright. You got try one day. And see what it is.
Yes, peeps. Look at that. Look how rich it is. Look at it. That's rich. Right, peeps? See that? And see it? It's still thick. That's the reason why you can't put too much oats or too much cornmeal. But me always I put a little bit too much. It's alright still. But I still I put a little bit more water. As I don't want it that thick. Yeah. I'm gonna put a bit more water. But I still don't want it that thick. And turn down the stove all the way down. I don't want the butter knife to burn. I will start burn. You know, itch at the bottom still. It's not itch. So it look like the water. Alright. So I boil up again. Okay. Thick. Let me get one pot of porridge, peeps. No, nothing I'm gonna eat for morning. Yeah. I haven't eaten anything from morning. Eating. Yeah. So, let's see. Must taste a little too. Now it is still a boil. Now ask me how long I make it boil for, because I don't know. I just boil until the fish is ready. Now that's how we cook in the Caribbean. You don't really cook with time. As in, you know, time anything we cook. We just cook. And then the fish say cook now. So yes, it is cooked now. But sometimes you can just test it still, like test the grain and think if yeah, it is alright now. Yeah, but you know, if a cornmeal need to cook properly, and the cook that need to boil also. Like cornmeal not cook properly, puff your belly. Yeah. You make your belly get bloated, and then the coconut milk, if it's not boiled properly, has to give you a run in the belly, give you a diarrhea. So you know, peeps, stick and stay. I'm going away. You see it, peeps, I don't know the porridge not ready yet, but porridge soon ready. Couple more minutes and the porridge will be ready. I'm going to put it in for some vanilla and some sugar. See much water I'm putting in and it's still thick enough. So yes, peeps, stick and stay. I'm going away. Porridge. Yes, peeps, porridge ready for sweetening now. So when you sweeten porridge, you turn off the stove. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna go eat some porridge. Forget I drink porridge. So I'm gonna drink some porridge. Yeah, so I'm gonna use some brown sugar and I'll put some vanilla in.
Yes, move right now.
Put on your pot. Are you afraid of the camera? You don't want to get famous? Eh? My neighbor don't want to get famous, please. You don't want to get famous.
Famous restaurant too.
Restaurant that famous in town?
Famous.
Oh. It's all. I'm sorry, taste now. How long I'm gonna taste it? It's hot. Yes, this is just enough sugar. Thing right. A little bit of vanilla in it. I don't know, say a porridge, so I can't just share it and drink. I know the time I know the video, so I drink it. So you watch the video until the end, pick up on yourself, enough love and enough respect. Yes, finishing job there. It's my porridge. Oats and caramel and peanut. Yeah, so until next video, pick up on yourself. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. One fire, all fire. Love what to do, you want to love, and be free. Yes,